Welcome back to Overheat. The 2025 Mercedes AMG C63 will carry on the groundbreaking strategy that was first implemented in its most recent generation, which combines high-performance hybrid technology with an internal combustion engine. Here is a rough, comprehensive description. Engine and performance. Engine, a potent 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine is probably going to power it. An electric motor built inside the back axle will be paired with this powerplant hybrid system. This system aims to provide optimal performance in addition to fuel efficiency. Instantaneous electric power transfer from a high-performance battery will enhance responsiveness and acceleration. Power and torque. The system's overall output is probably going to stay in the extremely high range, like the C63 S E Performance model, which generates more than 600 horsepower and more than 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. External design. Aggressive AMG styling. The exterior will radiate the aggressive and sporty vibe that is characteristic of AMG. Panamericana grilles with vertical slats are one example of this. Bigger air intakes and aerodynamic components in the redesigned front and rear bumpers. Side skirts with more volume. Rear spoiler model specific or optional. Exhaust tips at 4 locations. Distinctive badging from AMG. Wheels and tires larger. Specially made AMG alloy wheels and high-performance tires will be standard. Hybrid elements. Its performance hybrid status may be hinted at by a few minor cosmetic elements. Interior design. Athletic and luxurious feel, premium materials and AMG's trademark athletic accents will be combined within. This could include Nappa leather-wrapped AMG sports seats with improved side support. Additional control buttons for driving modes and other features are included on the AMG Performance steering wheel. Digital instrument panel featuring a display exclusive to AMG. Embellishments made of carbon fiber or other athletic materials. AMG footrests and pedals, and door sill plates that are lighted.